Transform your life with self-hypnosis affirmations. Easy step-by-step guide. Relax your body and clear your mind by taking a few deep breaths. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed during your self-hypnosis session. Decide on a specific goal or intention for your self-hypnosis session, such as reducing stress or increasing confidence by affirmations. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, inhaling relaxation and exhaling tension. Visualize a peaceful and calming scene that makes you feel relaxed and at ease. Repeat positive affirmations or suggestions to yourself at least 3 times. Repeat your positive affirmations or suggestions to yourself again with conviction and belief for 21 days. Imagine yourself achieving your goal or intention, picturing yourself in a specific situation where you have successfully achieved your desired outcome. Take your time and allow yourself to fully experience the positive emotions associated with your goal. Slowly bring yourself back to the present moment by taking a few deep breaths. Open your eyes when you feel ready. Remember that self-hypnosis is a skill that takes practice and patience to master. Be consistent with your self-hypnosis practice, setting aside time each day or week to work towards your goal. Trust in the power of your subconscious mind to help you achieve your desired outcome. Stay positive and keep believing in yourself and your ability to create positive change in your life through self-hypnosis affirmations.